Before using the snowplow kit, make sure to update the controller to the latest version via OTA. The video tutorial is linked in the comments. Assemble the U-clamp and snow frame assembly. Align the holes according to the orientation shown in the video. Take out the screws and wrench to secure the U-clamp. Do not tighten the screws yet to facilitate adjustment. Tighten the screw after confirming it is inserted into the hole. Mount the snow frame assembly onto the machine. Note that the lower U-clamp position must be secured to the front frame. Remove the lower clamp and screw. Install the lower clamp as shown in the video. Do not tighten the screws yet to facilitate adjustment on the other side. Tighten the screw after confirming it is inserted into the hole. Take out the screw sleeve and then disassemble it. Assemble the liner actuator as shown in the video. Tighten with a wrench. Connect the wires on the liner actuator to the snow frame assembly. Assemble snow shovel and snow frame assembly. Use pins plus R-clip to fix the top and bottom connections. Organize the connecting cables. Finally, connect the power cord and it's ready to use. Next, we will install tire chain. Place the tire chains over the surface of the tire. First, put in the inner screws. Don't tighten them yet, leave them loose for adjustment. Install the outer screw. Finally, tighten all the screws. Install the remaining tire chains in the same way. The C1 button on the remote controls the lifting and lowering of the snowplow kit.